Bonnie, happy Sunday! Oh my goodness, daylight savings time is totally messing me up. It's only 10:17, seriously? Like, what the heck? But it's all good because two good things happened today. Number one, we got the trailer for the new Stranger Things season 4. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. I'm a huge fan of Stranger Things. It's right down my 80s alley. I feel like I have 80s hair today, by the way. My bangs are doing something weird. I'm a huge fan of Winona Ryder. That whole series is just like wonderful. We just rewatched it not too long ago. And the second awesome thing that happened is Bath & Body Works on the app just put up the announcement for the Black Friday box. So we got to talk about this because it's a good one. So I'm going to start putting up a screenshot. So screenshot number 1 is a little teaser, and it just basically shows the box, and it says, tap to help the snowman open the box. And this is your exclusive Black Friday preview. I don't know when we're going to be able to order these. Hopefully soon. And then the inside of the box. So there are 9 things inside the box. It's usually about $100 value. The boxes look similar to this. Bath & Body Works used to do a bag. I'm thinking supply chain. It's much easier to do a cardboard box. I like the fall one. This fall box is super pretty. You can use these to re-gift something. But that's about the size. And I feel like the Christmas one is a lot prettier. It's red. It says give love on it. And then the goodies inside. So I feel like we're getting some pretty decent stuff. Much better than that advent calendar, which is like all champagne toast. I still might get that advent calendar because I like the red and green box, but I'm not liking the champagne toast into the night. I like those scents, but they just seem really ordinary. Now, I thought they were maybe going to put the Love Cotton Candy Champagne inside the Christmas box. I was wrong. They're calling it Give Love. And the 3 scents that you're going to be getting in the box are Pure Wonder, brand new Pure Wonder, the 'Tis the Season, and the Merry Cookie. So not a bad mix, I'll have to say. I'm liking what's inside. You're going to get 3 pieces from the Pure Wonder collection, including the Fine Fragrance Mist with that beautiful, I don't know, it kind of looks like Waterford crystal on the bottom. And these are normally $17.50, so that's a pretty good deal. You're also going to get the lotion and the shower gel. This is actually iced rosé, star jasmine, and warm white amber. It's a nice, light, fruity, happy scent for Christmas. And if you don't like it, this is like totally giftable. So that's what I like about this box. It's new giftable stuff. Next up, from the Merry Cookie collection, I'm especially interested in this. I'm going to put a screenshot up. You're going to get the single wick candle with the exclusive design, the pocket back, and the hand cream. And then, oh my goodness, those polar bear socks are absolutely adorable. I think it's neat they put the socks in there. Then you're going to get these 2 really like red Christmassy pieces. You're going to get 'Tis the Season in the hand soap. And then the candle is the Perfect Christmas with the little Santa's sleigh on there. The Perfect Christmas is literally the perfect Christmas. It's one of my favorite Bath & Body Works candle scents of all time. And I'm super happy we're getting it in this like joyful red Christmassy jar. So that is definitely a winner. So how the box works is, I'm guessing in like the next week or 2, Bath & Body Works is going to give exclusive access to anyone with the app. You'll click the button on the app, and then it'll take you to the website where you can order the box. It's a purchase with purchase, which means that you have to buy X amount of product. It's usually like $30 or $35 worth of stuff. And then you can get the box for an additional like $30. I don't know the price points yet. However, it's a good deal. It's an add-on. I mean, if you're buying stuff anyway, and then you add the box in for like $30 and you're getting $100 and so worth of stuff, it's absolutely worth it. The box is gorgeous, and they make good Christmas gifts too. So it's a neat, fun thing to get. I remember years ago they had the snowman bank. Oh my gosh, I wish they would bring something like that back because those are absolutely delightful. I still have my snowman bank, so I'm pretty excited about the Black Friday box. I think they did a good job. They may have another box over the holiday season. Last year we had a whole champagne toast box, which I actually liked better than the advent calendar. It kind of made sense to me to have just all champagne toast rather than like the red and white with the advent calendar, and then it doesn't really match the red and the white. Anyway, whole other story there. So anyway, I'm super excited about the Give Love box. I think they did an amazing job on what's in the box, and the only thing left now is to find out when it's coming. I will keep everybody informed. Let me know if you plan on getting it this year, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.